Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we're making a chicken salad. This recipe is for those looking for both a full and nutritious meal that doesn't break the bank or take too long to make in the kitchen. So let's get started.
All right, let's dive right into this recipe. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. We're going to place a quarter cup's worth of sliced almonds onto a baking sheet that's been wrapped with parchment paper, and we're going to toast these in the oven for about 4 minutes. And now separately, we want to shred a rotisserie chicken, both the white and the dark meat, making sure to remove any of the bones and the skin. In total, we'll need about 4 cups worth of this rotisserie chicken that's been already cooked and shredded. You want to aim for slightly larger pieces of the chicken meat, and you can transfer that to a bowl for now. And now separately, in a large bowl, we want to add in 3/4 cups worth of Miracle Whip, followed by 2 tablespoons worth of lemon juice or the juice of half a lemon. Mix those together well. We're also going to add in 1/4 teaspoon's worth of kosher salt and mix that into the Miracle Whip and mix it until the salt dissolves. We're going to then add in 1/4 teaspoon's worth of finely ground black pepper and mix that in as well. Following that, you want to add in 1/2 tablespoon's worth of balsamic vinegar. At this stage, you want to add in the diced chicken and fold that into our mix. And for the rest of the ingredients, we're going to need 1/2 cup's worth of celery, which is about 1 stalk that's been finely sliced, 1/2 cup's worth of muscat grapes that have been halved, 1/2 cup's worth of Honeycrisp apple that's been peeled and finely chopped as well, and fold all those ingredients into the rest of the mix. We're also going to add in 2 green onions that have been finely sliced into the bowl and whisk them in. We're also going to add in 1 tablespoon's worth of fresh thyme, all the stems removed and finely chopped, and whisk that into the rest of the ingredients. And finally, you want to add in your toasted almond slices and fold all the elements together until they're well mixed. You want to transfer this mix to a serving bowl, and I like garnishing this with some additional almond slices, grape halves, and additional herbs. And with those final steps, this is ready to be served and enjoyed. Congrats, you've made a delicious chicken salad right at home. You can always use your own favorite variety of grapes as well. Their taste in this dish really makes the difference. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish.
As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 4, Enhancing Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make this chicken salad recipe. And if you did, make sure you smash that like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you click that subscribe button too, so you don't miss out on another recipe. And feel free to share this with all your family and friends.
And stay tuned for next week where I show you another great salad option, my smoked salmon recipe. It's really easy to make and it feeds plenty. Well, thank you all again so much for watching. I truly do appreciate it. You can always check out more recipes on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.